Sonnet 18 and Sonnet 116 by William Shakespeare. Sonnet 18 celebrates the beloved's timeless beauty, showing how poetry can make it last forever, unlike the short-lived summer. Sonnet 116 describes true love as constant and unwavering, surviving through difficulties in the passage of time. Both sonnets emphasize the lasting nature of love and how art or dedication can make it eternal. Sonnet 18 and Sonnet 116 explore moral and philosophical concepts about love and beauty. Sonnet 18 compares the beloved to a summer's day, suggesting their beauty will last beyond time and societal norms. Sonnet 116 presents love as constant and unchanging, transcending passion and societal norms. Both sonnets encourage us to consider the enduring qualities to love and the values that shape romantic relationships. Sonnet 18 and Sonnet 116. The metaphor used in Sonnet 18 is the comparison between the fair youth's beauty and a summer's day. The youth's beauty is described as radiant like a summer's day, and the poet suggests that he can immortalize this beauty in his sonnet. Sonnet 18 teaches us that love and beauty can be preserved forever through poetry, even after people grow old and pass away. In 116, the main theme is love. The poet argues that true love is constant and unchanging. He uses the metaphor of a star to symbolize love, emphasizing its enduring and unwavering nature. Shakespeare explores themes such as time, love, and the nature of relationship in these sonnets. Both sonnets depict love and explore beauty of the beloved, as well as how love can transform individuals and inspire them to make efforts for their loved ones.